Alright, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. Okay, we are asked to find the value of x. So what is our x? X is what? Okay, now let us reduce everybody to be of the same base. Okay, so which means I have 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power x. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Okay, this is 2 raised to power 3, then all raised to power x. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Now this is now 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x all raised to power 2, because 2 times x is 2x and x times 2 is equal to 2x. So do the same thing here. 2 raised to power x all raised to power what? 3. Now they are the same. Immediately they are the same, you say let that 2 raised to power x be equal to what? Y. So anyway I see 2 raised to power x, I will just put y. So this is now y plus y squared is equal to what? Y cubed. Okay, let me take everybody to this side. I'm going to have y cubed minus y squared minus y is equal to 0. If I factorize, I'm going to be having that y is common, so this is now y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, so that this time this is this time this is this, and finally this time this is this. Now when the product of two things is equal to 0, automatically one of them must be 0. So I have that either y is equal to 0, or we say that y squared minus y, okay, minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we got that y is equal to 0. If we put y here, let us put y here. If you put y here, we know that 2 raised to power x is equal to y. So 2 raised to power x is equal to what? 0. There is no real solution here. There is nothing you put as s that will give you raised to power that will give you 0 as an answer. It's not possible. So for y is equal to 0, there is no solution. So now let us check this one now. Let us check y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So let us now solve by the formula method. So I have that y is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac everything over 2a. Okay, so now which is my a is the coefficient of this, which is 1. My b is the coefficient of this is minus 1, and my c is the last one, which is minus 1. So if I put it here, I'm going to have y is equal to minus into minus 1, okay, minus into minus 1, then plus or minus the square root of minus 1 all squared minus 4 into 1, then into minus 1, all right, then all over 2 into 1. Now having this, what do? We're going to have that y is equal to this, and this will give you 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 4 all over what? 2. So which is my answer is now y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. So if you separate, I have two cases here. The first case is y is equal to 1 plus the square root of 2, square root of 5 over 2, or we have that what? Y is equal to 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. Now let us start from 2, because we are not looking for y, obviously we are looking for x, but don't forget there is a place you told them that 2 raised to power x is equal to y. Okay, so I'm going to have that let me substitute. I'm going to have that 2 raised to power x is equal to, we have gotten y to be 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now let's take the log of both sides. So I'm going to have that log 2 raised to power x is equal to what? Log 1 plus root 5, okay, all over 2. So this is now, so this x can go to the back. I'm going to have x log 2 is equal to what? Log 1. Okay, I can make it, this is simple as saying 1 over 2 plus root 5 over 2. Okay, so then x will now be what? Log 1 over 2 okay, log 1 over 2 plus, or you can leave it to be like this. Okay, according to law of indices, the reason I have law of logarithm, the reason I have divide was because of minus. So this could be log 1 plus root 5 then minus log 2. Okay, it could be in this form. So divide everybody by log 2. So I'm going to have log 1 plus root 5, okay, minus log 2. down divided by log what is it called, log 2. Okay, so that is that for that. Now if you want them to be in base 2, then it's going to be x is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over log 2 minus log 2 over log 2. Okay, so finally I'm going to be having that x is equal to what? Log 1 plus root 5 base 2. Okay, according to the law of logarithm. Then minus, when something divides itself, is 1. Okay, so that is that for that. So thank you very much for watching. Please encourage us by clicking on that subscribe button if today is your first day of watching us. Right, bye bye.